guys, welcome to Living It Country. Today I'm gonna take you guys along with me in our home and we're gonna do a really casual video sharing this DIY project of our kitchen bar shiplap DIY project. So I'm gonna share with you guys in a second. You guys have probably already seen this, but I'm gonna take you guys into our messy master bedroom room. It's the weekend and we were just chilling like villains, but we've got our peel and stick wall planks. This is not shiplap, it's just wall planks. And then I've shared with you guys, our peel and stick shiplap. I've got my daughter's artwork. Isn't it amazing? I love it. But I have our peel and stick shiplap right here, which is absolutely identical to the shiplap we're putting up right now, minus the peel and stick. So I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys the process of normal shiplap install and kind of being able to compare what I like about the peel and stick versus normal shiplap, and maybe that'll be really beneficial and helpful to all of you guys. So I'm gonna take you guys back into the kitchen and talk to you a little bit more and get started. Okay, so it is 6 o'clock at night and getting pretty dark because we are in almost November. But here's the whole section we are going to be doing some shiplap with. We purchased 7 12-foot pieces. It cost us under $100. I believe it was 12 something a piece. And we are going to DIY shiplap. And this is our first time doing this, so you guys will be able to get to see
all of our mistakes
and what we're gonna learn from them. So we definitely wanted to do something with this because when we painted the house, I don't know if it was the quality of the paint, but it was kind of scuffing up. So we went back to Home Depot, got a sample thing of the paint, and they gave us the wrong finish. So if you guys can see, it looks like an absolute disaster here. You guys can see where all the paint yuckiness is. So we're gonna go ahead and get DIYing. Hubby just bought a tool that's gonna help us with the, not the trim pieces, but the outer pieces to kind of have that finished look. So I'm excited to share this with you guys. Let's get started. And here's tonight's beautiful sunset at our house. It's gorgeous out. Okay, Jason's holding his foot.
This is hard, guys.
How we like it. And
numbers
I love it.
are hard. Is that it?
I like it. So now Jason's just using a stud finder, which we hate. And we're gonna make sure to nail in the shiplap in those areas so it can hold better. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. What are we doing now?
We're lining up drawing our lines for our studs so that the way all of the nail holes line up so it looks good.
Cool.
And we don't miss it. I'm using a pen even though pencils are better, but I chose a pen.
Here's our dog Jedi. He's helping too. Jedi, say hi. Jedi is almost 5 months old. So here is what the shiplap is looking like. It's 8 o'clock at night. Getting pretty late, so it's super, super dark in the house. But I'm loving the way it's turning out. This is kind of an overview. Jason's coming in with some more shiplap pieces to start off right here. Hey babe, what kind of nail gun are you using?
This is a DeWalt. Either this is a brad nailer or a finishing gun.
Okay.
I'm not really too good with that stuff, but we're using, hold on, let me check. I think it's 15 gauge, 2-inch nails. Yeah, 15 gauge, 2-inch nails.
Awesome. Just thought that might be helpful for some people.
Yeah, finishing gun.
And as you guys can see, it really brightens the area because our wall colors are not pure white. It's like a greenish white.
So
with a greenish tint.
Come on over here. Let me show you something.
Okay.
So when it comes to these angles, I suck at cutting them where you try to meet them where it's seamless. So what I'm doing is I'm just going on the little bit of the inside of this because it's a cornered edge. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my 45s on my trim pieces, and then that way when they come together, that will line up because that will be a lot easier, at least for me. So I'm definitely not the best carpenter, but yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
That's it.
It's looking awesome.
Hey, thanks, Joe.
We're gonna fill these little holes in with wood filler. It's gonna look awesome. So I've got some better light to show you guys, but this is the next day. And you guys have seen this side. And here is, Daddy just got home. There's Daddy.
Tired, guys.
Very tired.
It was a long day.
It was a long day. And this is this side complete. Jason decided to, like he showed you earlier, trim out the pieces using trim right here. And so it turned out absolutely fabulous and gave it a super finished look. We're still trying to figure out if we want to do a base trim around the bar area because we're thinking it might scuff it up compared to over here. So we're super happy with the way it looks. The next project will be painting this a pure white, right? A pure white?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process. It wasn't too detailed, but we thought it would just be fun to share with you guys this project. I'm thinking we might do it in a couple of more rooms.
The shiplap?
The shiplap, yeah.
Yeah, we have some ideas. We have an idea of having that up there be an accent wall.
Yeah.
For shiplap. Hey, buddy, what's that? So we're thinking of having that. I don't know if that would be too much shiplap though, because we want to cover up the vent hood.
We want to cover up that vent hood that we didn't know had to be there.
That was required by the state or building permit. So.
Yep. So we got to find a creative way to cover that up.
I have an idea. But,
yeah.
I mean, it turned out pretty well with this stuff.
Yeah, but this is the finished result and
semi-finished
result. So hope everybody has a great night. Anything else you want to tell people about the DIY shiplap?
I think if there's anything I
do you like peel and stick better or do you like this better?
I like this.
You like this? Why?
Yeah. It was simple to do with the nail gun, and then just caulk the holes where the peel and stick. If you go to place it there, if it's kind of if you get stuck, you have to peel it back off. It's just this is a lot easier. You just set it there, and then you can just nail it in. To me, it was simpler, faster, and I wouldn't say it was simpler because there was more steps to do it. But to me, I would prefer this method. Cool. But if I were to live in an apartment where we didn't have access to the garage or the tools that we have, then shiplap or the peel and stick would be ideal, right?
Right, but peel and stick shiplap you can't do in apartments because it's a permanent solution.
No, I mean like if you own the apartment or something like that.
Yeah, that's true.
Something like that. If you live in a small quarters where you don't have the area or the space to use your tools like what we do, because I have my shop with my tools.
Yeah.
Some people don't have that, so. Then that's where it would be more beneficial. But to me, I like doing it this way. It was really nice.
Cool.
So yeah, that was me. I don't think there was any tricks or anything like that I remember.
It was pretty easy.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it was.
Well, shiplap's so easy because of the
shiplap was easy.
Groove.
It was this corner piece trim. That's what I was mostly like, really scared about. Hey, buddy.
Okay, well, we hope this video could be helpful to someone out there watching, and we hope you have a great night. We'll see you guys later on Living in Country. Bye.